Hi, and welcome to my Dude, just shut up and show me how to take the door handle off. All right. So on this door handle, it's got a little Allen key. Some door handles have a little button. You stick your screwdriver in there and you press the button. This one has an Allen key. You stick the Allen key in, turn it counterclockwise till it bottoms out, then you take your door handle off. Once the door handle's off, you take your finger and you run it around the edge of this plate and you find a little indentation. Once you got it, take your screwdriver, put it in the indentation, and pry that little cover off. Once you got the cover off, you got two screws, usually Phillips head. You unscrew those and you take the doorknob off the door. That's it. Don't be a knucklehead like me and put your screwdriver directly on the plate because you might pull some of the paint off. Maybe you can use a little rag or something over top of the screwdriver. Anyway, that's it.